If you've been typing a normal question into ChatGPT and suddenly that separate whiteboard style panel pops open on the side, taking over your screen when all you wanted was a regular chat answer, you're definitely not alone. And the good news is you can actually turn that Canvas feature off completely. Let me walk you through exactly how to do it. Canvas is that side-by-side editing panel ChatGPT sometimes opens automatically, especially when you're asking for writing help or code. And while some people love it for collaborative editing, plenty of others just find it gets in the way, popping open when they didn't ask for it and disrupting the flow of a normal conversation. So here's a fix. Open ChatGPT and click on your profile icon, usually sitting in the corner of the screen. From there, go into Settings, and then head into the Personalization section. Inside Personalization, you'll see a checkbox specifically for Canvas. If it's currently checked, that's what's letting ChatGPT decide to launch it automatically. Simply uncheck that box and then save your changes. One important thing to know here, this setting doesn't always apply instantly to the conversation you're currently in. Most of the time, the change only fully kicks in starting with your next new chat. So if Canvas still pops up right after you turn it off, don't panic. Just start a fresh conversation and it should behave properly from there. If you're on a shared or work account and don't see the option at all, it may be controlled at the organization level, in which case an admin would need to adjust it instead. And if it does creep back up occasionally even after disabling it, a quick trick a lot of users rely on is simply telling ChatGPT directly in the chat that you don't want it opening Canvas for this conversation. It's not a perfect guarantee, but combined with the settings toggle being off, it usually keeps things running as a normal plain text conversation the way you actually want it. So that's really it. Profile icon, settings, personalization, uncheck Canvas, save, and start a new chat to see it take effect. If this quick fix helped you out, drop a like. It really supports the channel. And subscribe for more fast, practical ChatGPT tips like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.